The highly popular Clarke CML3 hydraulic motorcycle lift is ideal for all your motorcycle maintenance needs. Perfect for providing easy access to motorcycles for repair and maintenance, the CML3 foot pedal operated hydraulic motorcycle lift is ideal for any professional or home workshop. Also available is the CML3 air and foot operated lift. This lift benefits from a dual operating system where compressed air can provide fast, easy lifting as an alternative to the manual foot pedal. By raising your motorcycle to the ideal working height of 770 millimeters, the CML3 reduces the amount of strain involved with working on motorcycles, as it allows users to access the vital components of the bike without having to bend or kneel down for long periods. The CML3 features a removable panel to assist with rear wheel removal and removable hinged ramp for easy loading and offloading. Once wheeled on board, the bike may be secured by the front wheel using the sturdy locking clamp with rubber pads, which help protect your wheels. Removable hoops are included on both sides of the ramp to facilitate the use of an optional ratchet strap for extra safe stability if required. The CML3 is very easy to use. After lowering the Steadies screws, simply pump the foot pedal until the platform is raised, and then insert the locking bar. The lowering pedal is well protected to ensure that you only lower the platform when you intend to. Without a bike loaded at 2.2 meters long and 685 millimeters wide, and with a maximum load of 450 kilograms, the lift also makes a useful and robust workshop bench. Also, when lowered, the CML3 can easily be stored on your garage floor with your car parked over it, saving you valuable garage or workshop space when not in use. The CML3 is exceptionally easy to use and is a must-have for those who work on motorcycles on a regular basis. This Clarke CMS1 Mechanics Mobile Seat is the ideal accessory for use with the CML3. Reduce fatigue and keep your clothes cleaner. With its tough powder-coated steel frame, strong rubber casters, oil-resistant padded vinyl seat, and integral storage tray for tools and parts. Convenient, durable, safe, and easy to use, the CML3 represents excellent value for money and will give you many years of service.